Hey, King Nebi. That's cool.
I know.
What is it?
It's my idol, you idiot. Go and proclaim throughout the nation that all must worship my idol.
Hey, you Jews.
It's Shadrach.
Meshach.
Abednego.
You guys must fall down and worship the image, or else you'll be thrown into a blazing furnace.
Wait, let me think about this. No. Okay.
Oh! Yeah. I'm gonna tell the king, and you're gonna get blazed.
Your mom's gonna get blazed.
King Nebi! King Nebi! There are 3 Jews you put in charge of the province of Babylon. They refuse to worship your image.
What?
Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. They pay no attention to you, O king. They neither serve your gods or worship your image.
King Nebuchadnezzar is furious with rage. Go bring me these men. What? Is it true, Shadrach, Meshach, and a blah blah blah, that you do not bow down to my gods or worship my beautiful, gorgeous idol? Now when you hear the sounds of music in the trees...
Is he still talking? What is he babbling about? He's like the guy that would never shut up.
That robe is so last season.
Is that an offering plate on his head? I can't. It looks kind of dorky. I don't. And that's a trash can. That's not some image, beautiful thing he said. That's a trash can. Yeah.
When you hear that, and bow down and worship my idol, that is good.
1 second. Let's talk about this.
We don't think so. You will immediately be thrown into my blazing furnace. Then what God can save you?
Oh, King Nebuchadnezzar. We have nothing to say to that.
Even if we are thrown into a burning furnace, the God we serve can save us from it, and he'll rescue us from your hand.
But even if he doesn't, O king, we will not serve your gods or worship your idols.
King Nebuchadnezzar is furious again! Hey, guy!
What is it, my master?
Go heat the furnace 7 times hotter.
Yes.
7 times hotter, I'm shaking in my boots. Oh!
King Nebi, 7 times as hot!
Go!
I'm a swirly, twirly tornado of anger!
The furnace is 7 times hotter.
Good. Take them in.
Into the furnace, you dorks.
What is this? What? I see 4 men walking around in the fire, unharmed. And the 4th looks like a son of the god. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, servants of the Most High God, come out. Your body's not burnt. Your hair isn't even singed. Your robes aren't even scorched, and you don't even smell like fire.
God.
I told you so.
Hey, Shadrach, Meshach, and I told you so.
Yeah.
Praise be to the God of Shadrach, Meshach, and blah blah blah, who sent his mighty angel to save his servants. Therefore I decree that anyone who says anything against the God of Shadrach, Meshach, and blah 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 be cut into pieces and their houses be turned into piles of rubble, for no other God can save in this way. It's my idol, you idiot.
Oh, I said the wrong one.
Am I saying something?
Okay, no, okay. Keep doing that.
They pay no attention to you, O king. They neither. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. They need. Oh.
King Nebuchadnezzar is furious with.
Do it, Tony. What is it, my master?
Shadrach, Meshach, and blah blah blah, who sent his angel.
Yeah. That's fine. That was
Yeah.
Why is my name always messed up?
You know, stuff happens.
you keep going.
I can't go anymore.
All right, whatever. That's fine.